Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to perform a hard factory reset on TUF Gaming AX4200. Let's begin! But before we'll do that on our side here, let's actually show this how we can do that on our phone, which is also pretty easy. So, head into your ASUS router. Then, instead of heading into settings, we want to head directly into our router at the top. Then, you want to click three dots in the top right corner, and then you will see factory default. We can click it, and now we want to slide in to perform a factory default. So, that's how you can do it on the mobile application, but how can we exactly perform that on our side here? Well, luckily for us, it's also pretty easy. First, we want to head into a section called Administration, if I remember correctly. Then, when we head into System, scroll down, and that's actually wrong section, sorry. It's probably here, yep. We want to head into, once again, Administration panel, then Restore/Save/Upload setting, and then at the bottom we have the ability to perform a factory default, which, as you can see, will restore our router to factory settings, and it will erase everything, all data logs, all A protection, traffic analyzer, web history, everything will be gone. So it doesn't really matter if we do that via the mobile application or via the web. Let's go with simple restart, and as you can see, I want to click OK, and now this will actually take a few times, sometimes, like for me it took before about 3 minutes. So I will just simply end the video now. After you have done that, you can watch my tutorial on basic setup and creating first network to get started on your new network. But anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.